Hi everyone, we have some very exciting news today. So, on the first news, we have Bugatti showing off its new V16 engine, which is a replacement of its older W16 engine. While the older W16 produced a combined of 1600 horsepower, this latest V16 will be producing a total of 1800 horsepower, which is 200 more from its predecessors, while also for the first time running 3 electric motors, which is 8-speed dual clutch transmission. It is also suggested that it might rev up to 10,000 rpm and its whole body will be made up of carbon fiber. The new Bugatti is gonna get unveiled somewhere during June of 2024. What do you think about the news? So, moving on to the next news, Apple just unveiled its new 13 and 15-inch MacBook Air with the M3 chip. The new M3 MacBook Air is up to 60 times faster than its M1 chip and 13 times faster than its Intel-based MacBook Air. It has 18 hours of battery life, a stunning Retina display, and now it supports up to 2 external displays. With the transition to Apple Silicon, every Mac is a great platform for AI. M3 includes a faster and more efficient 16-core neural engine, along with the accelerators in the CPU and GPU to boost on-device machine learning. It is gonna be soon available starting from the price of $1,400 for the base model. Now, let's get a dive into the new iOS 17.4 and what new features have they added. First up, iOS 7.4 includes a change for the stolen device protection. Now users can choose to always require a security delay while changing security settings. In iOS 17.4 is new support for transcripts in Apple Podcast. These transcripts are automatically generated by Apple and are available shortly after an episode is published. The interface is similar to the real-time lyric feature in Apple Music. On the next thing, there is a 7 brand new emojis including in Apple 17.4. Headshake horizontal, headshake vertical, phoenix bird, lime, brown mushroom. It also has a new home screen and also a new battery health changes. SpongeBob SquarePants is the newest faces of the limited edition Xbox Series X. It sports the iconic SpongeBob shape in the form of Xbox with its bright colors and can be identified easily from miles away. And it also have a few of the iconic characters drawn into it. Nickelodeon All-Star Brawl 2 Special Edition bundle of the Xbox will be retailed at $700. If you like the videos, don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you.